the values of A and B. We want to calculate the values of A and B in problems like first problem. We have 3x minus 1, x minus 5 plus ax plus b, which is equal to 3x square plus 11x minus 1. This is the problem, and we will equate the coefficients and will find the values of A and B. So this is our first problem. In order to solve for values of x, A and B, what we will do, first we will open these equations by multiplying the brackets. This will become 3x square minus 15x minus x plus 5 plus ax plus b is equal to equation. This will become 3x square minus 16x plus 5 plus ax plus b is equal to 3x square plus 11x minus 1. Now what we will do, we will simply compare these powers, same powers coefficient, like 3x square is equal to 3x square. Similarly, minus 16x plus ax is equal to 11x. Similarly, b is equal to minus 1. Here it will become b plus 5 and b is equal to minus 1 minus 5, b is equal to minus 6. So that here we have calculated the value of b. Now we will calculate the value of a. In this equation we have x common. We will take x. 16 plus a is equal to 11x. This x will be cancelled on both sides. Minus 16 plus a is equal to 11. A is equal to 11 plus 16, which is equal to 27. So this is the way to calculate or identify the values of a and b by equating the coefficients. It is the a value and b value. Now we will solve another problem, second problem, in which we have 4x square plus 7x minus 1 is equal to ax square plus bx plus 3x plus c. So here we will equate 4x square is equal to ax square, 7x is equal to bx plus 3x, c is equal to minus 1. So three values will be calculated in this case, and here it will become a is equal to 4, and from this equation we will take x common. This will become b plus 3 into x. X will be cancelled. Similarly, in the previous example we did, and 7 minus 3, 4 is equal to b. So in this equation we have calculated the value of a, b and c by equating the coefficients. Now we will see another third example, which we have 9 into 2x plus 3 plus 4 into 2x plus b, which is equal to ax plus 5. Here this is our second example from here. Now we have third example. In third example we do same, multiply the equations, brackets open, 27 plus 8x plus 4b is equal to ax plus 5. Similarly, 18 and 18 will become 20 and 26x plus 27 plus 4b is equal to ax plus 5. 26x is equal to ax, 4b Similarly, from this A will become 26 and the value of B is equal to 0. Similarly, C we do not have in this example. So this is the way to calculate. We have another example. This is our fourth example in which we identify the identities. This is our complex problem: 9x cubed plus x plus a x plus b plus cx is equal to ax cubed plus x cubed plus x square plus 12x minus 24. So this is our fourth problem, in which what we will do, simplify, open the brackets. This will become x square plus xb plus xa plus ab plus cx equal to 9x cubed plus x cubed plus x square plus x cubed minus 24. So what we have, 9x cubed plus x square plus bx plus ax plus cx plus, we have rearranged in this step. This will become 10x cubed, sorry, this is ax square. So this will become ax cubed plus x cubed plus x square plus 12x minus 24. So what we will now do, 9x cubed will be equal to ax cubed plus x cubed. X cubed will be common. This will become a plus 1 and 9x cubed. X cubed will be cancelled. A plus 1, a is equal to 9 minus 1 and a is equal to 8. Now we will equate bx cx plus ax is equal to 12x. We have the value of a, but we do not have the value of b. So how do we calculate? We have ab is equal to minus 24 and we have value of a which is equal to 8. So minus 24, this will give us a is equal to minus 3, sorry, b is equal to minus. Now we have a value of a, value of b we will put in this equation. Minus 3 into x plus cx plus 8x is equal to, x is common and it will be calculated in this way, which is equal to 12x. X will be calculated. C plus 5 is equal to 12 and c is equal to 12 minus 5, c is equal to 7. So this is the way to calculate or equate coefficients on both sides of the equation to find values of a and b. We have solved 4 problems related to this, in which we have calculated the value of a, b and even c in some cases. So a, b and c is calculated in this way. If you want to check our answers, you can put a, b and c values in this equation. If this equation is satisfied, your answers are okay. So that's all from this video, in which we have calculated a, b and c as well. This was our first problem. This was our second problem to calculate a, b and c. This was our third problem and this was our fourth problem. This is the method of